Welcome to the Rashomon-PDP package, a Python package that lets data scientists aggregate models from a variety of different libraries, including H2O, DALX, AutoGluon, and any other model the user wants to configure to the package. With this, data scientists can find how the most optimal models, or the Rashomon set, evaluate given a set metric by calculating their partial dependency profiles for a given feature. The setup for the package is simple. We begin by creating a Python virtual environment using the command python3-m-ven-ven. Then activating the environment with source ven/bin/activate and upgrading it with pip install --upgrade pip. After ensuring that the environment is set up, we install the Rashomon-PDP using pip install Rashomon-PDP. Now that we have the packages installed, we can see how data scientists might use this package with the diabetes data binary classification task. To work with the Rashomon-PDP, we will use AutoGluon, specifically Tabular Predictor, for our AutoML framework. We load the Rashomon-PDP model using the makePDP method and selecting some default parameters, such as the PDP feature being pregnancy. Then we train the model, and we can do a quick Rashomon-PDP test method call. Users can also access many of these methods via an interactable UI by running streamlit run Rashomon toolkit /Rashomon toolkit /web.py and accessing the interface. From this interface, you can easily upload any CSV file, adjust the epsilon threshold, and generate a Rashomon partial dependency plot. This is just one of the many applications that data scientists can use this package for, facilitating further statistical applications within the AutoML field.